If you want the Disney Plus and Hulu bundle without ads, here is the easiest way to get it. First, go to disneyplus.com. You can find my affiliate link down in the descriptions. It helps to support the channel at no extra cost to you, and it takes you directly to disneyplus.com. Once you are on the homepage, scroll down to the bundle section. Right now, the cheapest combo is the Disney Plus and Hulu bundle. To get rid of the ads, select the Disney Plus Hulu Bundle Premium plan, which is currently $17.99 a month. Just keep in mind that even with the premium plan, any live TV or live sports events will still have commercials. Once you choose the premium bundle, go ahead and click Select. Next, set up your MyDisney account, or just log in if you already have one, by typing in your email and password. From there, go to the checkout page to review your plan. You can pay using a credit card or PayPal. As soon as you finish your purchase, your subscription is active, and you can start watching Disney Plus and Hulu ad-free right away. If you already have a regular Disney Plus plan, you can upgrade your plan to premium plan. I hope this video helped you out. If you want to support the channel, the best way is to use my affiliate link in the description. It doesn't cost you a penny extra, and I really appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.